how to insert a volume integral symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now the volume integral symbol is indicated by a circle and 3 integral symbols within that circle or going through that circle. And to insert that, let's head on over to the Insert tab. Now, the easiest way to do this is to use an equation field. So let's go ahead and click on Equation. And you can find your volume integral symbol by clicking on this drop down right here and changing the subset to operators. And here, under basic and array operators, you will find the symbol that we're looking for, which is volume integral. And when you click that, that will automatically insert into your equation field. Now you can also type in using this following code, but you have to enable it in your settings. To do it, simply type in this code, \O 3 I's and T. Now click enter, and that should also transform into the volume integral symbol. Now you can also use the symbol equation or the symbol function in Microsoft Word, where you have to change the font into MS Gothic and the subset to mathematical operators. And you should be able to find the volume integral symbol right here. Now, when you click insert, that will automatically be inserted to where your cursor is placed in your document. And as you can see, we now have a volume integral, which is inserted as a symbol. And to save the hassle, you can also type in this code and simply click Alt X, and that should also transform into the volume integral symbol. And that is how you can insert a volume integral symbol in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.